In this short video, we'll go over how to do a hypothesis test for a proportion using StatCrunch. In December 2001, 38% of adults with children under the age of 18 reported that their family ate dinner together 7 nights a week. In a recent poll, 403 of 1,122 adults with children under the age of 18 reported that their family ate dinner together 7 nights a week. Has the proportion of families with children under the age of 18 who eat dinner together 7 nights a week per week decreased? So the first thing we need to do is specify the hypotheses. And so what are we going to have here? So our null is going to be, where is the proportion now? So the proportion now would be the proportion that was found originally, which was 38%. And then the question raised in the problem was, has that proportion decreased? So our alternative is going to be less than, right? If it's decreasing, it's going to be less than 0.38. And then we wanted to test this at alpha level of 0.05. We want to find the test statistic, the p-value, and then make our decision. So in StatCrunch, you're going to go to Stat, Proportion Stats, the same thing as you did for confidence intervals. We have one sample with summary. So the number of successes were the number of families that said they ate dinner together, which was 403, out of the total sample size of 1122. We're going to do a hypothesis test here, and our null is that the proportion is 38%, and remember, alternative we said has gone down, less than. Okay, so compute. All right, so here is our sample proportion. You notice it's all down to 36%, so it was 38%. In this poll, it's now down to 36%, but has it dropped enough for us to say it's statistically significant? So the test statistic is right here. It's a z. So I'm going to go ahead and type that over here. It's actually a z statistic, and it's going to be negative 1.44. Oops. And then the p-value is right next to it, and we see the p-value here is 0.0754. And remember, we were going to test at alpha of 0.05, and so because 0.0754 is not less than 0.05, we would fail to reject. I'm going to highlight that, so that's going to be fail to reject. And whoops, what's our conclusion in non-technical terms? So we have insufficient evidence to support the claim that the proportion of families who eat dinner with their children 7 nights a week has decreased from the 38% that was stated in the problem.